guys, October 21st, 2021. This one here I gotta go do a annual oil burner service for a guy. I do it every year. He's kind of like a retired guy, and got an old Peerless boiler there, I believe, oil fired. And I know his tank's real crusty. Tell him every year he needs a new tank. He never does it, but I'm not touching the tank. The filter's over by the burner, and we'll take a look at it again this year. I'm sure it's not getting any better. It's pretty dark and dingy down there. And, we'll try to bring you along, get you some shots. Miss Molly, you're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Yeah, I think the feeder was way down over here somewhere, wasn't it? The water feeder was way down in here somewhere, if I remember right. Cobweb City.
Yeah, well, that door's never used. I never opened up.
Yeah. Alright, it's not stuck. Cobweb City.
What's that?
Cobweb City.
Yeah.
That and the cats. You still got cats?
Yeah.
I think they're coming down here and pissing. I can smell it.
Oh, there's a little box over there.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Change it, what, once every 2 years? Oh, you're good, right?
No.
All right, why don't you go turn up the unit? Okay. This way here we can get it to run, and I'll do the service. Switch right here. It's a newer boiler, 3-section oil fired. It's got a expansion tank there. They got this smoke alarm right there, which is good. And look at the old big volume system. It's gonna turn it up so we can see how it fires. It's an annual. I come here every year. New protector relay, freed up water feeder last year. That's what I did. New motor, the pump coupling, new nozzle, good oil flow, good draft. So I think it blew that coupling apart last year. You didn't turn it up enough, I don't think, sir.
Oh, I had 65. I'll put it higher.
Yeah, turn it up. So turn it up to 80 for now, so it runs. Thank you. I actually like these controls, the Pro Max. So here it goes. She's starting up smooth. So how's the retirement going? Good? No issues?
I'll tell you a crazy thing. I went to the doctor in February. I'm having pain with my knee. So he starts feeling around. He says, "Oh, you got arthritis here." So he said you can take, a leave or something else. So I do for like a week and a half. And then you leave. So I stopped.
Oh, it could affect your kidneys, this stuff.
Yeah, that'll leave and something else.
Oh yeah. If you keep taking it, yeah, it's gonna, because your body's got to process all that shit.
Yeah, so I stopped. About a week later, I don't have any more pain. There's nothing. I woke up one day. I don't know. I must have turned it or something. But the guy feels it over here. And he says, "That's arthritis." So when I went to see my regular doctor for a physical,
That's why they call him a quack. You ever hear that saying, the quack?
This guy's on the road. I don't know where he is.
Yeah, he's a flipping quack. He doesn't know what the hell he's doing.
I mean, what the hell? The arthritis doesn't go away like that. I haven't had any pain there since that. That was February. We're told.
Yeah, that Aleve probably
yeah,
not the
so
best
that
thing
Aleve,
for
they were
you.
talking about like 2 pills, I think, on the bottle, and a day. So I was taking 1, but I did that for a week and a half, and then I started feeling good, and then finally I just I stopped, and no pain ever returned. So that was good. But other than that, that's it.
That's why they call him a quack.
That's a hell of a thing. What a diagnosis that is. But that's why they say about doctors, they practice medicine. Yeah, they're practicing all right. Till they get something right.
That's what they say about the lawyers. They call them when they practice. The lawyers will do that. They're in practice, the lawyers.
Well, they say the same thing about doctors.
Yeah, I guess so.
They say it's a practice, but that's why in the movie War with the Roses, Danny DeVito, Michael Douglas, Kathleen Turner, as the guy's suing is, they want a divorce, so they get a divorce. It says the lawyer asks them.
You got a lot of problems, right?
Huh?
500 lawyers, you got a lot of problems there.
Oh, I mean, that's
They're not all bad.
No, of course not. There's a profession that I mean, it says like it seems like they have so many lawyers. I don't even know how they have enough business to go around. It seems like there's so many guys, practicing the law. I don't know.
I get that a lot of times. I give people a bill and then they'll say, hopefully I don't see you for a while. I said, yeah, I'm like a lawyer, you only when you need them, but other than that, you don't want them around.
Wow.
I ain't gonna work for free. I mean, I gotta buy dog snacks and stuff, right?
That's right.
Flipping dogs gotta eat. Things are getting bad, huh? You notice it? Flipping gas has gone way up.
Oh, well, yeah.
Everything.
That's temporary. That'll come down when all the oil comes down.
Give it a good clean.
But yeah, but I mean I don't
nuts.
use. I'm not working, so I used to spend about $5,000 a year driving to Boston. That's 120 a day, miles, 600 a week just for that. And that's when gas was higher. Back around 2010, 11, 12, 13, it was higher. It was over $3 at that time. So yeah.
Well, it's pretty high now, guy. I mean, have you been at the gas station lately?
I usually go to DJ's. I get 10% off.
Okay, yeah, it's probably better, huh?
Oh, it's good.
10%. I mean, why not?
Your BJ.
So that card's worth the money then. In other words, that BJ card's like what, $30 a year?
Oh no, it's up now. It's like I think it's 55. But so what? Just on gas alone, I save that, and then of course whatever I buy in there.
Is that the only place you go is BJ's?
What, to buy stuff?
Yeah, to buy food.
Oh no. I mean I go. I don't buy food there. I go to. I get.
So why have the card? I mean, just for the gas?
No, I buy some dog treats because I got down the street the neighbor and.
Oh, okay, so you do buy some stuff.
Yeah,
there.
and oh yeah, I buy other stuff. I might buy. I don't know. Not a lot, but
Some stuff.
Yeah. When I make the trip up there, I don't just go for gas. And I don't drive a lot anymore, so I'm only filling up.
You miss working?
Well, I'll tell you, I never was unhappy working there. I mean, I was unhappy when I had to fight with the management, and represent the people. But other than that, no, I liked it. I enjoyed my time. I sit in the office, and any problems, and then I get involved.
So you had a big area to take care of, huh?
Yeah.
How many guys?
Well, how many people working there?
You said you were the steward, right?
No, I was in charge. Oh, you know, he's in charge for for making all the decisions that goes for the people, the president during the daytime. So I had 4 guys under me. They were just they were regular stewards.
So you were the chief steward.
Yeah, that's what they call it. So
Chief.
I right. What was in charge? So
you didn't work. You were just a steward. Usually the stewards work. No.
It all depends.
We're gonna check. I'm gonna check the oil flow. We'll see if the filter's dirty. Oil flow.
And this is the big house. We got hundreds of people there.
Yeah. So usually, yeah, if it's big like that.
They have work, so they don't have to be on the floor.
We'll check our oil flow here. Now tell me if this filter's dirty, right? I'm not gonna sell you something you don't need. So I thought your oil tank was old, but it's not. It's only like 10 years old. You said 15.
Well, this is 21. I think I got it maybe 2009.
Okay. I'm gonna check the oil flow here.
Oh yeah, well, see, there was somebody here doing this on October 10th. That's probably, maybe that's when they put it in.
We'll check our oil flow.
When did you start using your heat?
Yeah, we're getting a good flow there. A while ago.
Yeah.
I don't play around with that. I mean, if the flipping things needs to be, if it needs to heat up, I put the heat on it. I don't give a shit.
Oh yeah, no, but I would have put it on. But
some people don't put it on till after a certain time in the year. It's like, are you flipping nuts? I mean, if it's cold out, I'm putting it on. Period.
October I do, but I mean.
Yeah, because I'm here every year. I'm changing the nozzle and checking the oil flow. I mean, if something happens, I come right over, right?
Yeah, no, yeah, but
because what happened last time? It blew a motor to pump coupling. Remember?
Right.
We'll check it, and we'll see how it's running.
I got a break. I called.
Man, that thing's way on there.
I called to have an electrician to come over. So I said, what's the rate? He said it's 175. To come out the first hour and then 95 after that.
175?
Yeah.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. This is from an ad in the Behavior Neighborhood News.
Holy shit. I'm in the wrong flipping trade here, guy.
But listen. On a Thursday, they're supposed to call me on the Friday. They never called again early next week, so I called in darkness. John Medeiros, electrician, you know him?
Offhand.
Huh?
No, what about him?
Oh, so I call him.
Yeah, we're getting drafts, so let's...
An hour.
Well, ain't bad. He's cheap.
A couple of hours.
There you go. What's his name? John Medeiros?
Yep, exactly. So, yeah, I just called
young kid?
somebody. Well, he didn't even come. He's got like about 3 or 4 crews out there.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, he's got a lot of business. So somebody, one of his men came over.
Send you one of his wannabes over here. No? Send you one of his wannabe electricians over here. Apprentice or something.
Oh, I don't know. The guy.
Wait, what do you need done on a Saturday?
Nothing. I don't.
Yeah, you work. You're home all day, right? Yeah, you're retired.
Yeah.
All right. So good new nozzle, good oil flow, which means our filters are good. Good draft over the fire, which means we're not all full of soot. We should be ready to go. She's a little crusty, but I thought you had an old tank here. I thought it was a different job, but this tank's newer.
I bought it when I got this.
Yeah, 07.
07?
So, it's an 07, so yeah, 14 years old, it's still fine.
Yeah, you know what's funny is when I fill it, it never goes to 275 gallons.
What'd you do, have a bunch of mice over here? You took it down?
Tell you the truth, I don't know.
I think so, because I see a lot of holes here.
But mice wouldn't knock that down. They're too...
No, the mice shit. See it? Like mice shit in there, and they were making a home in there. I mean, it must have fell down on its own.
Field mice.
Yeah, field mice.
Yeah, they're so small.
Yeah. The cats probably did that to get them. Maybe the cats come down here, right?
Not much, but occasionally.
Yeah, the cats will probably after him.